ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj gifted us a beautiful message today in Rag Suhi. When somebody speaks, the sound that we take inside into our mind through the ears. I was reading a book written by Daniel Goleman. He wrote a beautiful book named as Emotional Intelligence. And another book, Focus, The Hidden Driver of Excellence. It's a beautiful book, a really beautiful book. Everybody should read it. You will be surprised that he starts from the emotional intelligence, starts from the listening, 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 listening. When we come to a Japji Sahib, what Guru Nanak Sahib says, listen, 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 listen. The listening of a sound that can take you deep into your mind, that it takes you, the listening sound will go deep into your subconscious. When it will go deep into the subconscious, it will awake your mind. So what Guru Arjan Dev Ji talking about today? Gur Kai Bachan. Bachan meaning the words, the sound. Take deep into your subconscious. Gur Kai Bachan Hriday. Hriday meaning depth of your mind, the deep subconscious. Take into your, through your concentration, through your focus, dhyan, focus. Take deep into, Tari meaning take deep into your subconscious. But how? Rasana, through your sound, through your tongue. Speak through your tongue. What we speak, read loud Gurbani and listen through your ears. Or do some Guru Mantra, Vaheguru, 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 and listen. Take deep into your subconscious through your ears. Rasana Jap Japaho Banwari. Banwari meaning the owner, the owner of this world, who created this universe. His name take through your mouth, take through your tongue. Safal Murat, Darshan Balihari. You will come to acknowledge when you gonna keep listening, your subconscious, your mind will get awakened and you will be sacrificed. Balihari meaning Balihari meaning when you lose your own strength and you surrender your all power to Vaheguru Ji. Charan Kamal Man Pran Adari. The Charan meaning the teaching of the Guru. Take deep into your mind. Man meaning mind. So when you're going to take deep into the meaning, take the teaching deep into the meaning, you will understanding the true form of universe. You will understand, you will know the meaning, how Balihari Kudrat Vasya, how God is all pervasive in each and in single particular of this world. Sadh Sang. What is Sadh Sang meaning? Sang meaning company. Sadh, the people who work upon their mind. When you will go into the company of those who are enlightened, who are working upon their mind, who are listening Guru, who are focusing in a right direction, and it will happen, your Janam Maran, your cycle of life will taken away. Amrit Katha Sun Karn Adari, your mind will be satisfied. Your mind will go complete with the harmony, with the grace of this universe, and all beauty and bliss happen in your life. You will see the difference once you listen the name of Vaheguru and take through the ear and take deep into the mind. It will become your practical life. It will become your life. That will be the bliss and beauty. ਬੇਅੰਤ ਭੁੱਲਾਂ ਚੁੱਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਮਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ